game is called Add the Sound Effects. Read a storybook with your child and add sound effects wherever appropriate. This develops the skill of paying attention to what she hears and making mental connections between sounds and their sources. Young children often have favorite books that they want read to them over and over. This game takes advantage of the desire for repetition and adds a listening challenge. A book with animal characters is really good for this activity. Just start reading and look for opportunities to add in sound effects. If there's a cat in the book, have her say, meow, whenever the cat is mentioned. Let's give it a try. I know some good games we could play, said the cat. What sound does the cat make?
Meow!
That's right. Make the sound whenever I say cat. I know some new tricks, said the cat in the chat.
Meow!
You don't have to limit yourself to animal sounds. For example, if there's a knock at the door, have her make a knocking sound. Start with just one sound effect, then add another each time you read the book. To add some variety, sometimes you can make the sound effects and have the child name the source. Let's try it with a popular book. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red chirp chirp
Bird!
looking at me. Red chirp chirp.
Bird!
Red chirp chirp.
Bird!
What do you see? I see a yellow quack quack
Duck!
looking at me. Yellow quack quack.
Duck!
Yellow quack quack.
Duck!
What do you see? I see a green ribbit
Frog!
looking at me. Green ribbit
Frog!
Yellow quack quack.
Duck!
Red chirp chirp.
Bird!
Brown Bear, what do you see? I see the children looking at me. This can be especially fun if you vary the sound by volume, tone and speed, soft and loud, high and low, fast and slow. Children love it when grown-ups do silly sounds or voices, and that is how you play Add the Sound Effects.